Hi guys, your girl Queen with Vlogs. I'm in my new place. I'm excited. I got my package. We're gonna try this. I'm gonna get straight to the point. Like a joint, but I didn't blaze yet. So I got the unicorn wax beads. It says lower length. I need 3 big scoops. Here is my scoop. I'm really excited because I need a wax. I want to see how hairy my legs is. Who's going out in the street looking like this? Ew. I was trying to use the other wax to wax my legs and it needs some help, guys. It needs some help. I was trying to do some things. It just wasn't working out, bro. Right? You see that? Ugh. This is what I'm gonna form from this line. It's pretty fun. I will have to stick my hand in there because some of them is clumped up together. Alright, so it says 3. 3 is a lot. That's a lot. This is 1. Let that melt. I'm mixing it with the other wax. Just because I have some left over. Excuse the mess, y'all. My wax machine doesn't do a lot, as y'all can see. So I came back and I forgot about this. It kind of messed up because I'm like doing a reel for Instagram as well. Hey. This is the new one. It hurts. Oh my god. My toes. Sorry. Bitch. Okay. Okay, that's over. Oh my god. That was actually thrilling. That was definitely thrilling. Oh my goodness. I expected worse. It felt so clean. Like it literally pulled off one. Except it has these residues. That's annoying. Oh my god, I have to try that again. I just like the fact I can just go a little bit longer. Just leave a hook right there. Remove. Look at the line of hair, bro. It hurts. My toes. Oh my days. Ooh, that's hot. Look at this. It feels like a good product. I don't want to jump the gun too soon, and it's so, like, there's so much residue. It's crazy. For too long. Boom. Ooh! Ooh, it's on my victory, boy. Look at that, baby. In one pull. I just finished doing the Instagram reel, and I just suck at it. I was doing so good, and then it just... I think I got, like, too zooted, and it just... Y'all have to check it out. Feel that shit in my back. I need this. So this volcano ice, I gotta be very careful. I'm just gonna put it on my hands first. I'm gonna put it down here. The tear as bad. Yeah, Aztec clay. Yeah, it's Aztec clay. Pretty cool, huh? Oh, I gotta excuse me, cause just it's alright. Like, I'm not trying to look like a monster out here. Oh, I'm supposed to go this way. No, because step back, tighten it. I love this one pool. Whew. Let's go to the waistline. Oh, and there's a whole patch right here. Hey. Okay. Stop. I still feel it. Ooh, that's a big boy. Oh. It's almost there, bro.
Wow, your feet, really?
Yes, she's obsessed.
Well, obsessed. Like, now you have to show them to me. Come on, show them. You have to show them to me. Let me see.
So this was my second scoop. I'm gonna like this. Oh, I need to add more. Finish this up. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, maybe that's not finished. It's in the closet. Go get it. Huh? Where was it?
Under the blanket.
Oh, okay. Put it on, okay? From all the residue, this is the end result. It's super clean. It does take off in one pull. I don't have to do it over again. Only reason why I kept going over and over is because your girl is trying to see. Couldn't really see it, but so far, yeah. And it makes my skin hella smooth. Oh, look, one more hair. But anyways, that's just because of me. I can't really see it until now on camera. So I'm just gonna go back and do these. I hope you guys did enjoy this vlog because I was like, you know what? I'm gonna treat myself to a wax. It's been ages and it's cold. I don't like the wind blowing on my leg hair. It feels weird. I'm like really excited. And I'm happy. I'm content. So this is what self-care looks like. Because I was doing a lot tonight. So this is all for my legs and this is my face. All my legs. And it took me about 2.5 cups. This is good. Just be careful with all the residue. Stay tuned for the Brazilian. I'm not going to do it tonight because Emperor decided to wake up. And now he's eating. So no, we're going to save that for another time. And I'm pretty excited just because it pulls off in one pull. But it do hurt when you're like lifting it up, like now. So it hurts when you lift it up. I'm not gonna lie, like y'all know my facial expressions by now. I'm trying to find that one product that is like the holy grail of everything. Residue Wait, me trying to take it off. My skin, it hurts so bad. Alright, you guys, stay blessed and respect. I'm logging off, going to bed. Got hair mask in my hair still. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the flip side. Alright, bye.